What are atoms? We know very well, nearly 180 elements are there. So many elements are there. For each and every element have particular symbol. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ కి పర్టికులర్ సింబల్ ఉంది. మరి వాట్ ఈస్ meant by atom? Atom అంటే ఏంటి? Suppose hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, so many elements are there. What is meant by atom? Suppose this is made up of one element అనుకోండి. The chart is made up of one element. If you touch the chart piece with your finger, some particles are settled on the finger. Some are you can see, some are not. అంటే మనం టచ్ చేయగానే కొన్ని పార్టికల్స్ ఏమవుతాయి, ఫింగర్ టచ్ అవుతాయి. కొన్ని మనం చూడగలుగుతాం, కొన్ని చూడలేము. The smallest part of an element that we cannot see with naked eye, that is called atom. అంటే ఇది ఒక ఎలిమెంట్, దీనికి సంబంధించిన స్మాలెస్ట్ పార్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, we cannot see with our eye. The smallest part of an element is called atom. The smallest part of an element is called an atom. That is the definition of atom. Next, what are present inside the atom? What is the atomic model? This is called nucleus. Electron. Nucleus consists of proton, neutron. This is the structure of atom. Suppose consider this is an atom. The atom number. The centermost part of an atom is called nucleus. In the egg, the center part is called nucleus. In the same way, in an atom, the centermost part is called nucleus. Nucleus consists of what? Two particles are there, proton and neutron. Around the nucleus, what are revolving? Electrons are revolving. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So, atom consists of subatomic particles. One is proton, that is positive. Second one, neutron. Neutron means zero. Third one is electron. These two are present in the nucleus. Where these two are present? Nucleus. Proton and neutron both are present in the nucleus. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolving. What is the charge of proton?
Plus.
Positive. Charge of neutron means neutral. Neutral means zero. Charge of electron means negative. How much charge, positive charge is present for the proton? Same quantity of negative charge is present for electron. అంటే atom లో పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఎంతైతే ఉంటుందో ప్రోటాన్ కి, అదే సేమ్ క్వాంటిటీ నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉంటుంది. For neutron, no charge. How much? What is the charge means? 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. This is the charge present for proton or electron. Suppose proton charge means plus, electron charge means minus. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Here not only these three particles, so many particles are present. More than 100 subatomic particles are present in the atom. But these three are very important important subatomic particles. That means proton, neutron, electron, these are the important subatomic particles. Why these the three are important means these are gives the stability for the atom. అంటే atom కి stability ఇచ్చేది ఈ త్రీ వల్లే వస్తుంది. అందువల్ల these three are called important subatomic particles. Okay, next how the particles are arranged in the atom. That is called atomic model. What is atomic model? The arrangement of subatomic particles present in the atom is called atomic model. Okay, first write the atom definition. Draw this diagram on subatomic particles. Over. Next, keep writing atomic model. Atomic model. The arrangement of subatomic particles present in the atom is called atomic model. Here see, the first scientist is Dalton. Dalton explained one atomic model. According to this Dalton atomic model, what is the first point means he defined the atom. Atom is the smallest part of the element and cannot be divided further. Okay, what is the definition of atom as it is he can say, and another point he say cannot be divided further. ఇంకా అంతకంటే డివైడ్ చేయలేము. The smallest part of an element and cannot be divided further. That is the first point of Dalton's model. What is the first point of Dalton's model?
Divide the element.
Right now, smallest part of an element. First point is smallest part of an element and cannot be divided further. Second point, atoms are neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, these atoms are not destroyed or created. We cannot create or destroy the atoms in a chemical reaction. Third point. Suppose you take hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas that consists of hydrogen atoms. Suppose you take iron piece. That iron piece also consists of lakhs of iron atoms. One element atom, another element atom, compare that. There is no similarity. Today, the atom's properties are entirely different for different elements. Suppose you take hydrogen and helium gas. One cylinder consists of hydrogen gas, another cylinder consists of oxygen gas or any gas. Compare these two gases. There is no comparison further. That means these two atoms are different in different properties. That is the third point. Third point means atoms of different element, atoms of different elements having different properties. That is the third point. Fourth point. Fourth point is how the atoms are combined. Suppose same elements atoms, oxygen plus oxygen combine to form O2, chlorine plus chlorine combines to form chloride, chlorine gas, like this. Atoms of same elements are combined or different elements are combined to form the compounds in a fixed ratio. Suppose water, you take water. Water means hydrogen and oxygen is there. If you collect the water from the rain or groundwater or any source, the water in this water, hydrogen is to oxygen is always combines in a ratio 2:1. That ratio is always constant. Here is the fourth point. Fourth point means atoms of same element or different elements combined in a fixed ratio. Right down. Atoms of same element or different elements combined to form the compounds in a fixed ratio. Atoms of different elements, same element or different elements combined to form the compounds in a fixed ratio. Last fifth point. Here fifth point is same element atoms combine to form molecules, different elements atoms combine to form the compounds like this. Same element means suppose O2, Cl2, H2, N2 like this. Different elements combine means CO2, H2O, and H3 like this. Alright, the fifth point. Atoms of same elements or different elements combine to form molecules and compounds. This is the Dalton's atomic model. What is the first point of Dalton's atomic model? Cannot be divided further. That means he says atom is indivisible. Indivisible means we cannot divide it further. Second point means atoms are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. And we cannot create, we cannot destroy in a chemical reaction. Third point is atoms of different elements having different properties. అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఆటం ఇంకో ఎలిమెంట్ ఆటం సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉండవు. సపోజ్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఆటం తీసుకున్నాం, ఇంకో దాంట్లో ఆక్సిజన్ గ్యాస్ ఉంది, దాని ఆటం తీసుకున్నాం. ఈ రెండు ఆటమ్స్ కూడా సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉండవు, డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉంటాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ పాయింట్. Atoms of different elements having different properties. Fourth point is atoms of same element or different elements combine in a fixed ratio. ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ రేషియోలో కంబైన్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు O2 అనుకోండి, ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ టు ఆక్సిజన్ 1:1. O3 అనుకోండి, అదే అవుతుంది O3, అది కూడా అంతే, ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ టు ఆక్సిజన్. అట్లా అంటే ఈ కాంపౌండ్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఫిక్స్డ్ రేషియోలో కంబైన్ అవుతాయి. Atoms of different elements combines in a fixed ratio. The last fifth point is same elements combine or different elements combine to form the molecules and compounds. For example, O2, N2, H2, Cl2, etc. Same elements combine. Different elements combine అనుకోండి, H2O, CO2, NH3, etc. These are the different elements combination. This is the Dalton's atomic model. In the fourth point we can see once again atoms of same element అన్నారు కదా, సేమ్ ఎలిమెంట్ స్ట్రైక్ చేయండి. atoms of different elements అంటే సరిపోతుంది చాలు. atoms of different elements combines in a fixed ratio. Right? Okay. Next, what is meant by atomic number? Atomic number denoted by Z. What is atomic number? Here atomic number means the number of protons or electrons present in the atom. Right? The number of protons or electrons present in the atom. Number of protons or electrons present in the atom. Write this also. Z is equal to P or E, small letters. P means proton, positive. E means electron. Suppose if you know the atomic number of one element, immediately you know number of protons and electrons. Suppose sodium atomic number is 11. Sodium atomic number 11 means how many protons are there? 11 protons. How many electrons are there? 11 electrons. Suppose potassium atomic number is 19. 19 means atomic weight. Atomic mass or atomic weight denoted by letter A. What is atomic mass or atomic weight? The total number of protons and neutrons present in the atom. Write the definition. Keep adding. The total number of protons and neutrons. The total number of protons and neutrons present in the atom. That is the atomic mass or atomic weight. Suppose A minus Z. P plus N0 minus P. So A minus Z is equal to N0. That is neutrons. Number of neutrons. Example: sodium 11, 23. Z is equal to 11, A is equal to 23. A minus Z is equal to 12. That is number of neutrons. What is atomic number say? Atomic number means number of protons or number of electrons. Atomic mass ante total number of protons and neutrons. Protons number plus neutrons number. Suppose A minus Z. A ante P plus N0 వేసుకున్నాం. Minus Z means P ఒకటే రాసుకున్నాం. P. Here minus P plus P cancel. What is there? N0 means number of neutrons. A minus Z means that gives number of neutrons. For example, Na 11, 23. Here 11 means atomic number. 23 means atomic weight or atomic mass. Mass number. So A is equal to 23, Z is equal to 11. Subtract this, then you get number of neutrons. In this number of neutrons, how many? 12. Suppose neon 10, 21. Number of neutrons how many? In this neon 10, 21. Number of neutrons how many? 11. 21 minus 10. Down number indicates what? Down number indicate what? atomic number, half number, atomic mass or weight. Okay, next I give 1 to 30 atomic number, symbol and name. Time is there or not? 2 minutes. 2 minutes maybe.
तो वन किचन सारी का मिनट
So okay, for each element, it is difficult to write a chemical equation by writing the entire name. Suppose for example, carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Directly you can write carbon reacts with means plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Sometimes it is difficult to write. For that, scientists say for each and every element indicated by symbol. Symbol means first some elements first in that word first letter is the one symbol. Suppose same type of word is repeated, same type of word, that means for example hydrogen symbol is H, first letter. Same type of word means helium also having the first letter H. For that symbol is He, the first letter and second letter. Okay, symbols of elements, how they take some elements first letter, some element first and second letter, some element first and third, like that. So some elements having the symbols based on the Latin words. Suppose Na means sodium. Actually that name is sodium. But how the sodium? In that sodium there is no N. Symbol is Na. In this sodium there is no N. N on the layer. A word layer. But how it is Na? This is from Latin word natrium. Natrium is a Latin word. And whatever the symbol, the first letter is capital, second letter is small. Suppose hydrogen, H, helium, He, first letter capital, second letter small. Suppose sodium, Na, N capital, A small. Suppose calcium, carbon means C, calcium means Ca, copper means Cu. These are all. How many elements symbols you take? The first letter means capital, suppose second letter means small. Okay.